Hi, this is David from Xceleration, the Excel learning channel. In this video, I will show you how you can use Microsoft Excel to analyze and improve your resume in less than 5 minutes. Your resume can be a Word document, a PDF file, or even your LinkedIn profile. And at the end of this process, you will get a list of words found on your resume and their frequency. With this list, you can make sure the most important keywords appear on your resume, and you can avoid repeating words as well. So let's get started. This is the resume I need to analyze. It is currently in a Word format, but it doesn't matter because the first step is getting the content and copying it and pasting it into a new Notepad document. So Control A to select everything, Control C to copy, opening the Notepad, Control V to paste. And the reason why we need the content in the Notepad is to get rid of all the fancy format, so tables, images, links, because they may impact the analysis. And transferring to the Notepad will avoid that. Now that the data is in the Notepad, again, Control A, Control C to select everything and copy. And let's go back to Word. File, New, Blank Document. Control V. And now again, we have the same data, but without all of the fancy format. And from here, we're going to use a very cool trick. Pressing Ctrl H, we are launching the Find and Replace menu. For the Find What, we're going to go to Special and choose White Space. Replace with Special Paragraph Mark. Replace all. And now each word is on a separate line, which is the format that we need for Excel. I'm still going to use the Find and Replace to modify the content because I don't want to include parentheses. So find what, opening parentheses, replace with nothing, replace all, and doing the same for closing parentheses and all the special characters. So, commas. All right, I think we should be good. Now that my resume is formatted nicely for Excel, Control A to copy, to select everything, Control C to copy, and let's go to Excel. Pasting the content starting in cell A2. Control V. In A1, the label, words. And as you can see, I have blank cells that I need to get rid of. So selecting all of my data all the way down until the last word. And in the home menu, find and select, go to special, blanks, okay. Delete sheet rows. No more blank cells. And I'm going to create two columns, one for the length and one for the frequency. For the length equals LEN, opening parentheses, my text, closing parentheses, 4, because Jane is 4 character long, and for the frequency equals COUNTIF, opening parentheses, my list of words in absolute references, comma, my first word, closing parentheses, 1, because Jane was found only once in my list of words. I'm going to copy my formulas, paste special values to get rid of the formulas and get hard-coded values. And I need to do a few things, starting with the length, data, filter, and selecting everything with 1, 2, 3, or 4 characters, because usually those are words that you do not want to include, like and, a, this, that, from. Those are not relevant. So selecting the rows containing those words, deleting the rows, Next step, getting rid of duplicates, selecting the data, remove duplicates. And last but not least, sorting. Sort by frequency, largest to smallest. Clicking on OK. At this time, we don't need the length anymore. I can get rid of the column. And now we have a list of words found on the resume and the frequency. For instance, the word project was found 9 times. Same for management. If you like this video, please use the like button. For comments and questions, please share them below. And last but not least, please press subscribe to view more cool videos like this one. Thanks for watching.